St. Paul, Minnesota. This is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor, and I'm going to be out your way on Tuesday, November 6th from 9 to 4 for Generate More Leads for free. This is a hands-on workshop that is open to all real estate agents, all small businesses. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply these techniques to build your business. The records for this class: 195 leads in 1 hour for one agent, $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. I had another person get 63 listings in 1 hour. This is something that is for real estate, but it's also applicable to non-real estate. Just this last week in Champaign, Illinois, had a non-real estate industry and a company attend this session, and by the end of the day, they had about $85,000 worth of business. This is something that everybody can use. It's going to be hosted by Keller Williams Premier Realty North Suburban. We're going to be at the Keller Golf Course on Maplewood Drive, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, November 6th.